coach. Close game and you didn't get the result that you wanted.
Pero for us, maybe the best game for the team is yung chemistry. Nandun na. Especially on our assist, we have 25 assists. Fought hard, breaks up the game na rin. So even their players contribute na. Especially Mikey contribute na. So unti-unti, ano natin. And hoping na makapaglaro na rin yung mga dalawang inaasahan pa namin tao, Alvin and Juan.
Hindi po ba kayo medyo nabahala na 3 straight?
Nakakabahala po, pero from the beginning, sinabi ko naman, maybe on papers, you have good players, but yung chemistry, hindi mo ganun yan. You understand basketball, it's not that easy. Yung chemistry, yun yung pinakamahirap. So, we're like a new team. Ano naman to, in-expect naman namin dun dito sa pagre-rebuild namin ng team. Still hoping na makuha kagad yung mga chemistry. And heads up guys, champion team itong nakalaban namin. Ibale kung hindi champion team to champion team to, matagal na itong magkakasama. So for us, siguro na bago talagang lumaban naman ng mga maganda yung mga bata. Maybe breaks of the game, yung mga shots nung naipasok nila. Pero we have our shots also, hindi lang pumasok na sila. So, I think naman po. Hindi ko mabibigla, hindi namin mabibigla lahat. Pero sabi ko nga, even we're low, pero I think this is the best game na from game 1 to now. It's a game, best game for us dahil yung chemistry nandun na konti. Tiwala nung isa't isa nandun.
Yung timeline po ni Abueva and Juan Gomez to
Maybe one, still mga 3 games pa siguro. Maybe Abueva, mga 2 games pa. Ito mga remaining games naman. Pilitin ko na lumaban pa rin yung at least hindi natin nakita yung rebound ng mga bata dun sa balik. Like what happened in Meralco, collapse kami on the second half. Pero here, nagkaroon pa kami ng confidence.
Sabi nga, mabalik lang po dun sa game. Medyo may parang flashbacks lang nung quarterfinals last conference yung nangyari when Alec got called for a foul that led to the marginal free throws from doon. Tingin niyo po, makakatulong pa rin ba ito sa maturity na ini aside from the chemistry, of course?
Let's give Alex a chance. Yung mga ganong situation, hindi na natin pwede isisi sa kanya. It's part of the game. Magaling din naman yung talagang sumabit. Pero yung mga important score din, nag-deliver naman si Alex. So yung mga ganong situation, huwag natin i-blame dun sa bata. Yung maturity ng bata, yung hinihintay na. Every conference naman nakikita ko yung pagiging mature ni Alex. Nag-step up. Easy naman yung delivery si Alex. Even on the coach siya, nandun pa rin. Yun lang, yung foul lang talaga. Pero breaks of the game naman, sabi ko. Breaks of the game.
Salamat po.
Dagdag lang, yung pinag-usapan sa social media ngayon, if Kyler Kelly is the right fit for your team, ano masasabi niyo doon sa are we sticking with Kyler Kelly?
20 points, 20 rebounds, 12 points, 5 block shots. I think doon pa rin tayo, stay pa rin tayo.